Django, how to set log level to info or debug. I tried to change the debug level to debug in Django because I want to add some debug messages to my code. It seems to have no effect. My login configuration. Code. Output on the console. I also have tried setting debug equals false and debug equals true in my settings file. Any ideas? Edit. If I set the log level on the logger directly, it works. Output. But it seems the config file is totally ignored. It prints both statements always even if I set both entries in the config back to error. Is this the correct behavior or am I still missing something?
You need to add EG in parallel with the Django.request entry, or in parallel with the loggers entry. This will ensure that the level is set on the logger you are actually using, rather than just the Django.request logger. Update. To show messages for all your modules, just add entries alongside Django.request to include your top-level modules, e.g. API, handlers, core or whatever. Since you haven't said exactly what your package module hierarchy is, I can't be more specific.
I fixed it by changing to, for example, to log all messages to the console.
I guess this is a minimum configuration with settings.py to change log level with root logger.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.